Hello everyone, this is Engineer A.C. Sahu. Once again, welcome you to our MKT education. So, this is your class 6 of your chapter 4, that is Center of Gravity and Moment of Inertia of Engineering Mechanics. Friends, already we have studied perpendicular axis theorem, parallel axis theorem, and we have also derived the MI expression for circular section as well as for rectangular section. So in this particular class we will derive the MI expression for triangular section and we will solve some numerical problems, right? So let's start. So we will derive the moment of inertia for this triangular section, that is ABC triangular section, and these are the expressions already I have written here. Moment of inertia about x axis, and here the x axis, central axis bsk by 36 and about its base bsk by 12. So this expression we will derive now. So let's have a look on this board. So now I am drawing the triangle. So this is your triangle ABC. ABC. So the base of the triangle is let B and the height of the triangle is h. This is the height h. So the moment of inertia of this triangle, first we have to find the moment of inertia about centroidal axis. So let this is your axis x, which is your centroidal axis, that means it passes through its centroid. So let G is the centroid of the triangle. So this G I have marked here is the centroid, right? So x axis is called the centroidal axis. So friends, we will find MI about x axis. So for that, listen, always we will use the same procedure. We will maintain the same method. गोटिए method रे जेमिति rectangle रो बाहर कले, जेमिति circle रो बाहर कले, exactly same procedure triangle रो बाहर करिया. And what is that procedure? We will take an element, and we will find the MI of that element about x axis. Then we will make integration to find MI of the total triangle. So this is the procedure you will follow. This is a universal procedure. Just remember. So now I am taking an element DE, right? DE is the element which is taken at a distance of y from x axis, right? And let's say the thickness of this element is dy, right? Dy is the thickness of the element. So first of all I have considered the element DE whose thickness is dy and it is taken at a distance of y from x axis, right? So mu ebe jo element neli tar area first we will find area of the element. Area of element dA, let's say area of the element जोटा कि हमें dA, why dA? A stands for area, D stands for small. So small area, DE, it's a rectangle. DE हमें जब देखिबा minor D and E रे slide थोड़ा सा slant रहुची, but just consider this as a rectangle so that the length is DE. So the element area is DE is the length, DE into width is dy, right? So now we will find DE. Friends, if you consider already mu कहithili जेतबेले CG यार locate करूतले, so already कहithili triangle ADE is similar with triangle ABC. So सेठ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଏଠି again लिखुचे triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Similar criteria हिसाब रे हम लिखिबा कोन ना DE कोन ADE triangle base divided by BC, which is the base of ABC triangle, equal with mu एठी गोटे perpendicular drop करूची बा height हम जोटा शो करछे, right? Let's say एटा हला M and this point is N. So height of the triangle ADE केते ना AM D by BC equal to AM divided by this is AN, right? Or implies D value केते हला ना DE equal to AM. Friends, AM का value केते? Listen, total height is h. So already we have derived in CG of the triangle जितल बार करथले this length is h by 3 1/3 of the height रे base रो measure कले सेटिक रे CG रहूची and so एपटू हम जदी कंसीडर करबा this is 2h by 3 so AG 2h by 3 and 0 m पर्यंत डिस्टेंस y so AM केते हबो ना 2h by 3 minus y this is 2h by 3 minus y AM जोटा कि हमें AG minus GM लिखबा AG 2h by 3 GM y so 2h by 3 by y minus y divided by AN simply h whole into BC रा वैल्यू कहते हैं ना B right so this is equal to how much this becomes this is h cancelled this is 2 by 3 minus y by h 2 by 3h cancel into so this is DE so now what is area DA equal to DE into dy so this is 2 by 3 B minus by h whole into dy right so this is the area of the element now we will find mi so mi means moment of inertia of element mi of element about which axis आमे नोचे centroidal axis से बात करते that is x axis about x axis so this can be written as dixx ixx moment of inertia about x axis d for small equal to already you know कोन कहतली formula ना da area into distance रो square so area केते element रो da into distance केते देखो d e element रो distance from x axis y so dA into y square right and now put the value of dA it hame already dA value bahar kari sarche so just put in the place of dA if you put this will be 2 by 3 b minus by by h whole into dy into y square ame tak likhi pariba y square dy clear so now this is the moment of inertia for the element DE about x-axis. So if you integrate this equation or this expression, we will find the total moment of inertia of the triangular section about x-axis. So make integration. So now total moment of inertia becomes total moment of inertia. So mi of triangle how much? What is the triangle ABC? About x-axis about x-axis we can represent this is as ixx which is the integration of dixx so this is integration in place of dixx we can put 2 by 3 b minus by divided by h whole into y square dy so now see y सहित जे लिंक रहिला d सहित that is your variable others are constant so y जदी variable ला then what will be the limit y रे वैल्यू हमें काउंट करछे x axis रो ऊपर को गले definitely positive x axis is the base level and ऊपर को जेते जिबा that will be y will be positive and if you proceed downward y will be negative so a to a पर्यंत distance already you know total h a to एतिको h by 3 so this will be 2h by 3 so y रो लिमिट हबो तळ को -h by 3 अछि a2 एतिको डिस्टेंस h by 3 सो नेगेटिव पई -h by 3 and a2 ऊपर को डिस्टेंस रहिला 2h by 3 जोटा कि प्लस सो लिमिट रहिला -h by 3 रो प्लस 2h by so the limit is you know eta negative so this is -h by 3 and this will be positive so this is 8 एतिका total h by 3 कले आ रहिला 2h by 3 right so now हमें जोडा कांस्टेंट अछि will take out of the integration बाहर को नै जिबा कांस्टेंट किए ना y को छाडी देला बाकी जहां रहिला सब कांस्टेंट so we will do that so first this is 2 by 3 b out of the integration पळे गले integration y square dy right multiply minus 80 सेमती b by h रहिला constant so out of the integration integration y into y square, this will be y cube dy, right? And limit minus h by 3 ରୁ 2h by 3, ଏଇଠି ବି ସେଇ କ'ଣ ନା minus h by 3 ରୁ limit ରହିଲା 2h by 3, ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବୁଝ। 2 by 3 b into ଏଟା multiply ହେଲା, so 2 by 3 ବାହାରକୁ ପଳେଇ ଗଲା because constant, so this is y square dy minus b by h constant ବାହାରେ ରହିଲା, y into y square ହେଇଗଲା y cube। So now this becomes 2 by 3b constant and friends y square dy integration केते y cube by 3, y cube by 3 and the limit minus h by 3 ରୁ 2h by 3 minus एठी कोन रहला ना b by h बाहर रहिछि, एठी y cube dy ର integration ला y 4 by 4, 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, so limit again minus h by 3 ରୁ 2h by 3, so this becomes 2 by 3b, in place of y we will put 2h by 3 higher limit, lower limit है ना minus h by 3, so 3 can be taken out of the this value, so this will be 3 into 3, right? So भीतर रहिबो केते ना y जगह 2h by 3, so 2h by 3 whole cube minus h by 3 whole cube, so in place of y we will put the higher limit value and minus the lower limit value, एठी भी similarly सेम दिन से करिया 4 को बाहर को नहीं आसबे, so this is b by 4h and higher limit 2h by 3 power 4 minus h by 3 power 4, right? So very simple, you have to know the integration केमिति होची देखो। So now we will simplify this expression to find the total moment of inertia. So now this is 2 by 9b, this is equal to 2 by 9b whole into this is 2q by 3q h cube, so 8 by 3q means 27 h cube minus this will be minus h cube, so minus and minus becomes plus, so h cube divided by 3 cube again 27, right? So again this is minus b by 4h and 2 power 4 by 3 power 4, so this is 16 by 81 h fourth minus this will be h fourth by 81, right? So this becomes 2 by 9b whole into this is 8h cube plus h cube, 9h cube by 27, which becomes h cube by 3, 9h cube by 27 or h cube by 3 minus here also 1 h will be cancelled, so this is b into 18 LCM गले 16 minus 1, so 15 h cancel ହେଇଯିବ h cube divided by 4, right? So final expression you will find, the final expression is b h cube divided by 36. If you simplify this value or this expression, we will find moment of inertia about its central axis, that is x axis, equal to b h cube by 36. Ago simplify kale you will get this formula. So here 81 will be there, 4 into 81. So you will get this value after simplification. So this is the expression for moment of inertia about x axis, or that is the central axis. If you want to find moment of inertia about the base BC, then what to do? Already I have studied parallel axis theorem. So by using parallel axis theorem, we can find the MI about base. So mu taku I BC lekhuchi, moment of inertia about base, that is I, base means BC, BC equal to I G plus a h bar square. Previous class रा मेरा पढ़ी छे. So Ig केते ना central axis रो moment of inertia, that is b h cube by how much 36 plus area केते triangle रो half bh, half into base into height, so half bh into h bar. What is h bar? H bar means non-central axis रो distance from the center. So non-central axis means here base BC and center रो distance केते था h by 3. So h bar square means this is h square by 9. So this becomes BHQ by 36 plus this is BHQ divided by how much? 18. So the LCM is 36. We have BHQ plus 2 BHQ. So 3 BHQ by 36, or the final expression is BHQ by 12. So remember this value, moment of inertia of a triangle about its base is BHQ by 12. Very important formula you have to remember. BHQ by 12 is the MI about base, BHQ by 36 is the MI about centroidal axis. So this is all about the derivation of MI of triangular section. Now already we have derived the MI for rectangle, for triangle, for circle. Now just see what is the expression for a semicircle or the semicircular section. Have a look here. So let's say this is the semicircle. So friends, if I will complete this semicircle, then we will get the circle, full circle, yes or no, right? And let the radius of the circle, or you can say semicircle, is r, right? So friends, already we have derived कि MI for this circular section about the centroidal axis means about x axis जब ये pass करे, ये जब x axis रुहे, about x axis how much ना IXX equal to, already we have derived this pi d fourth divided by 64. So pi d fourth by 64. So where d is the diameter of the circle. Now this is equal to, if you put d equal to 2r means twice of the radius, then आमे केते पाउछे ना r value d जगह 2r put कले, this is 2 power 4 means 16. So pi r fourth divided by 4. So diameter is this expression and radius term is empty expression. So this is the MI of the total circle. Now we want to find the MI of the semicircle about the base. So now just I am erasing, you see. Now it becomes exactly half of the circle, yes or no? And MI about x axis for circle is this. So what is the MI for semicircle about the same axis? Exactly half. So now MI of semicircle, MI of semicircle about x axis जोटा हमें कहूचे, that is about x axis जोटा ही semicircular base. So that is IXX equal to half into pi d fourth by 64. So this is pi d fourth divided by 128. एटा हला diameter रे, if you express in terms of radius, then it will be pi r fourth by 8. Remember, and the pi by 8 value is 0.39 r fourth. Just remember. And this is, about x axis means about the base, simply half. The centroidal axis रे हमें बाहर करेगा, this will be somewhat different. Suppose centroidal axis 8 है x dash, and this is the centroid of the semicircle. And what is this distance? A distance हमें कहते जाने से already again we have derived this distance. This is 4r divided by 3 pi, where r is the radius of the semicircle. So if we want to find MI about x dash axis, जोटा हमें कहूचे centroidal axis, 80 IXX means moment of inertia of the semicircle about base. Circular जोटा centroidal axis, semicircular सेटा base रे, right? So सेतपे हमको reverse जीवा पड़ियो, एटा हमर non centroidal axis. So हमें आपको I0 बोली धरि दबा, right? So हमें जानि छै according to parallel axis theorem, I0 जोटा कि MI about non centroidal axis equal to IG about centroidal axis plus a h bar square. हमको दरकार IG implies I0 केते ना 0.39 r fourth already we have found equal to IG, which is to be found out, plus area केते pi r square by 2, circular area pi r square, semicircular area pi r square by 2 into h bar means this value, this is 4r divided by 3 pi whole square. So after simplification we will find IG means about centroidal axis, MI about centroidal axis. simplification रे पाइबा केते ना this is 0.11 r40 just simply remember this value, right? So this is mi expression of semicircle about its base and this is mi about centroidal axis.